Hello everyone. This video is about introduction to MQTT. Now, let us see the agenda for the discussion in this video. The presentation will start with the discussion of a small overview of MQTT, then its publish subscribe pattern, key terms related to this protocol, and then wildcards. So, let's get started. The acronym MQTT stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. It is the most commonly used messaging protocol in IoT and it is an open source. It was invented by Andy Clark and Arlen Nipper in 1999. It is a very simple publish subscribe protocol designed for lightweight machine to machine communications. It is built upon TCP/IP protocol for data transmission between client and the broker, which makes the communication reliable. It supports devices that require minimal resources and network bandwidth. It is faster than HTTP as it has minimal packet overhead. MQTT messages can be as small as 2 bytes, whereas HTTP requires headers which can contain lot of information. So as just we discussed now that it is a publish subscribe protocol. So now let us see what it is and how it works. MQTT avoids direct connection between the devices by relaying data through a central server called the broker. When a device or client wants to send data to a broker, it is called publish, and the devices are called as publishers. When the operation is reversed, like when any device wants to receive data from the broker, it is called as subscribe, and those devices are called as subscribers. Multiple clients can connect to the broker and subscribe to topics that they are interested in. The broker is a common interface for devices to connect to and exchange data. The public subscribe messaging protocol works somewhat like a post office where instead of device sending messages directly to the recipient device as in a peer-to-peer connection, they are first sent to the post office, in this case first sent to the broker, and the broker forwards it to everyone that needs that message. The big difference is that MQTT does not use the address of that intended recipient, rather, it uses a subject line called a topic. If anyone wants a copy of that message, all they need to do is subscribe to that topic. You can have as many topics as you want, with each one having different clients on either end. This can be one to one or many to many communication. For example, let's say you have a setup where a humidity sensor needs to send its readings to the broker, and on the other end, there is a device which needs to receive this humidity value. In order to get the readings across the receiving devices, the MQTT public subscribe data flow will be like firstly the humidity sensor defines yeah. So firstly, the humidity sensor defines the topic it wants to publish on. In this case, DHT11/humidity. Then it publishes the message humidity value, which is here 55. Secondly, the device at the receiving end subscribe to the same topic DHT11/humidity, and this enables them to receive the message that the humidity sensor has published, which is 55. So this is how publish subscribe model works in MQTT. Now, let us understand some of the key terms related to this protocol. First is the broker. As we just discussed, broker is responsible for receiving all the messages from the publisher, filtering all the messages, determining who is subscribed to each message, and sending the message to the subscribed clients. Second is client. The different things like sensors, mobile devices, applications who are connected to the broker to send and receive messages are called as clients. Next is topic. In MQTT, the word topic refers to a string that the broker uses to filter messages for each connected client. The topic consists of one or more topic labels. As you can see from the example, that for a particular room, particular sensor, and particular parameter, you can use multiple topic labels, and each topic label is separated by a forward slash. Next is publish. The things when connected to the broker and send the messages to the broker on a particular topic, then this is called as publish. And the things which publish the messages to the broker are called as publisher. Next is subscribe. The things when connected to the broker to receive messages from the broker received from the publisher, then this is called as subscribe. And the things which subscribe to the broker on particular topic are called as subscribers. Next is wildcards. So when a client subscribes to a topic, it can subscribe to the exact topic of a published message, or it can use wildcards to subscribe to a multiple topics simultaneously. A wildcard can only be used to subscribe to topics, not to publish a message. So there are two different types of wildcards: single level and multi level. Single level wildcard replaces single topic, while multi level wildcard covers many topics. Single level is represented by plus, and multi level is represented by hash. So let's take an example for a single level. As we know, there are different sensors available to measure the temperature, humidity and pressure. So if we use two different sensors, DHT11 and DHT22, and I want to know only the temperature parameter from both the sensors, then the topic should be sensor plus temp, in which plus is a single level wildcard. And this topic is equivalent as asking for sensor slash DHT11 slash temp and sensor slash JC22 slash temp. Now let's take an example for multi-level. If I want to know what are the values of all the three parameters of a single sensor DHT11, then the topic should be sensor slash DHT11 slash hash, in which hash is a multi-level wildcard. And this topic is equivalent as asking for sensor slash DHT11 slash temperature, sensor slash DHT11 slash humidity, and sensor slash DHT11 slash pressure. So that's how you can use wildcards to subscribe to multiple topics simultaneously. So that's all for the introduction to MQTT. In this video, we learned about the basics of MQTT, publish subscribe architecture, and the key terms related to this protocol. In the next video, we will be discussing advanced features of MQTT. Thank you.